Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an incredibly provocative discussion about the future of warfare. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt recently made headlines by claiming the US Army should replace traditional tanks with advanced AI-powered drones. Now, why would he say that? Let's break it down. Imagine spending $5 million on a tank, only to have a $5,000 drone take it out. Sounds wild, right? Eric Schmidt is highlighting a crucial point. He emphasized that a low-cost drone today can easily destroy an expensive tank, and this has serious implications for military budgets and strategies. Recent conflicts, particularly the war in Ukraine, have shown us how drone technology has evolved. Drones are changing the dynamics on the battlefield at a rapid pace. Schmidt stated that we are watching the future of conflict unfold before our very eyes, which makes us rethink traditional warfare. While speaking at the Future Investment Initiative in Saudi Arabia, Schmidt said something quite striking. Those tanks are largely useless now. He sees a world where we can give away thousands of tanks and invest in hundreds of drones instead. This isn't just visionary talk, it's a potential reality. He even pointed out how footage from social media shows relatively inexpensive drones capturing incredible footage, dropping grenades straight through tank hatches. This shift from traditional armor to lightweight, economical technology is sobering for military strategists everywhere. Military experts, however, are divided. Some question whether we should entirely abandon tanks despite their vulnerabilities. Tanks have been pivotal for decades, and aspects like logistics and tactical planning still hold value. So, can we really throw them out the window? Budget-wise, Schmidt's argument is compelling. The potential cost-effectiveness of investing in drones over maintaining large fleets of tanks could mean serious savings for military budgets that are already stretched thin. A modern army might just be more responsive with these agile technologies. Let's not forget that Schmidt founded a startup called White Stork, aimed at developing AI-driven attack drones. So, he's not just talking. He's clearly putting his money where his mouth is. His aim? To create low-cost drones that can autonomously lock onto and destroy targets without needing constant human oversight. What's even more fascinating? These drones are designed to operate even in environments where GPS jamming is rampant. This technology enhances their effectiveness significantly, making them formidable assets on any battlefield, modern or future. Schmidt has been closely involved with military advisory boards, including the Defense Innovation Board. His first-hand experience impacts how he views these advancements and their potential. When someone of his stature makes claims about military tech, it's worth paying attention. In wars like Ukraine, we've seen drone tactics evolve almost daily. The pace at which both sides are adapting is eye-opening. Schmidt mentioned how strategies are exchanged as quickly as every few weeks. This highlights a new era of warfare where staying ahead is both urgent and necessary. Take a look around, and it becomes clear. Drones are here to stay. They are reshaping defense strategies in ways we've never imagined. From reducing personnel risks to extending reach, the potential is tremendous. But we need to ensure we're balancing tech with tactical astuteness. So, what does the future hold? We're venturing into unexplored territory. It's not just about replacing tanks. It's about integrating these new technologies effectively. We're talking about armies employing drone swarms that can outmaneuver traditional firepower. The role of AI in military and defense is nearly limitless if we think about it. AI technology is advancing faster than we can comprehend, and its implications are felt not just in the military but in everyday life too. How does this affect us as civilians? It's worth pondering. Public opinion around military technology is mixed. Some people are excited about the possibilities, while others fear the implications of autonomous warfare. Where do you stand? We all have a stake in how these technologies develop and get used. Speaking of which, I want to hear from you. How do you see the future of warfare? Do you think tanks will fade away or adapt? It's an essential dialogue to engage in as technology evolves. So, drop your thoughts in the comments below. As a creator, I'm constantly striving to improve the quality of the content I deliver to you. Your support and insights matter more than ever in building this channel. Let's create a community that thrives on shared knowledge and interests in AI and tech. If you like this discussion, check out my other videos where I tackle various facets of military tech. There's always something new emerging, and I want you to be in the loop as it all unfolds. Your engagement truly helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Your insights and feedback are what keep this community strong. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can join us on our journey through the fascinating world of AI and technology. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.